When it comes to property management software, there are countless options available, but before you buy, there are 12 key things you need to know to make an informed decision. In this video, we'll walk you through what sets OnSite apart and what you need to consider before committing. Stick around to the end so you can decide if it's the right fit for your property management needs. First thing, OnSite offers a user-friendly interface that many find intuitive. But while it's easy to use, it lacks the advanced customization options you'll find in some competitors. If you're managing a large, complex portfolio, you may feel limited by its simple setup. Next thing, consider the pricing structure. OnSite operates on a subscription model, which can be affordable for smaller property managers. But keep in mind, as your portfolio grows, costs could quickly rise, especially when compared to software like AppFolio, which offers a more scalable pricing structure. The third thing to know is that OnSite's reporting features are basic. It's perfect if you're looking for quick, high-level data, but if you're after detailed, customizable reports, you might want to look into alternatives like Buildium, which offer more robust reporting tools. Fourth thing, OnSite's customer support is decent, but not exceptional. Many users report slow response times and minimal self-service options. Competitors like Yardi provide 24/7 support, which can be crucial for urgent issues. Fifth thing, OnSite integrates well with accounting tools, but it can be a bit clunky when syncing with third-party applications. If you're using a variety of different tools, you might run into compatibility issues. Solutions like PropertyWare offer more seamless integrations with a wider range of apps. Sixth thing, OnSite offers excellent tenant and lease tracking, which makes it easier to keep tabs on renewals and late payments. However, it falls short when it comes to automated late fee calculations and reminders, a feature you'll find in more advanced systems. Seventh, if you're concerned about security, OnSite uses industry-standard encryption, but some users feel it doesn't offer the same level of protection as other high-end software like Rentec Direct, which offers additional security features such as two-factor authentication. Eighth, the software offers mobile functionality, but its mobile app isn't as robust as those from competitors. For property managers who need access on the go, this could be a deal breaker. Other software like Tenant Cloud offers a more comprehensive mobile experience. Ninth thing, OnSite does a solid job managing online rent payments, but it lacks some of the automated workflows that other property management platforms offer. This means you'll spend more time managing day-to-day tasks, whereas platforms like Cozy help automate these tasks more efficiently. The 10th thing, OnSite offers limited marketing features for your properties. While it lets you post listings to popular rental sites, you won't find the advanced marketing tools like those offered by AppFolio, which provides automated marketing features, helping you attract tenants faster. 11th thing, OnSite is more suitable for residential property management, with limited tools for commercial properties. If you manage a mix of residential and commercial properties, you might find yourself needing additional software, whereas platforms like Yardi cater to both sectors. And finally, while OnSite offers a free trial, it's important to know that the free version is limited in its features, which may not give you a full picture of what the platform can offer. Other platforms like Rentec Direct provide a more extensive trial period with more comprehensive features. So, is OnSite a good choice? If you're managing a small to medium-sized residential portfolio, it can be a solid option. However, if you need more advanced features or plan to scale your business, you might want to check out our recommended solution. It offers a broader range of tools, more customization options, and a free trial you can start today.